Good day everyone. So now I'll be presenting my video, but before that, let me introduce myself first. So I'm Melanie Barroza and I'll be explaining the three topics I've chosen. The first one is C++ keywords, identifiers, and comments. Second is variable scope and initialization. And lastly, simple selection, if and if else statement. So our first topic is the C++ keywords, identifiers, and comments. So the keywords are reserved words in C++ that have special meanings and cannot be used as variable names. Example, int, return, and if. And then the identifiers are names given to variables, functions, or objects. They must start with a letter or underscore and cannot use keywords. And comments are used to explain code. They are ignored by the compiler and help programmers understand the program. So there are two types of comments. The first one is single line comment. Two is multi-line comment. So ang first step po na gagawin natin ay type #include istring. This is a preprocessor directive and also it allows us to use input and output commands like cout. And sunod po ay type using namespace std. And don't forget to add semicolon. Using namespace std semicolon is also allows us to use cout without writing std cout. Next is int. The int is the keyword that specifies the return type. And also the main. The main is the identifier and the starting point of the program. So int is the keyword. Number and the identifier is the name of the variable. Example is 10. The 10 is the value assigned to the variable. Next, the single line comment. Comments are ignored by the compiler. Cout number, cout outputs data to the screen. And this the insertion operator. And also don't forget to write return 0 semicolon. Always type this to the end of the code. The second topic is variables, scope, and initialization. A variable stores data in a program. Initialization means giving a variable an initial value. And scope refers to where a variable can be accessed. The local scope is only inside a function, and the global scope outside all function only. Is the variable scope and initialization. So yan, wag natin kakalimutan ilagay ang #include istring and using namespace std. Then proceed na po tayo dito sa int x equals 5 semicolon. It declares and initialize variable the x. Scope whole main function. Cout x end l semicolon print value of x to 5. Then type new block, which is the 2 bracket, and this is the x is the local of this block only. C out X semicolon outside the block original X is used 5. So our last topic is simple selection, if and if else. So the if statement executes codes when a condition is true, and the if else statement executes one block if the condition is true and another block if it is false. Simple selection, if and if else. So always the first step that we are going to write is hashtag include iStream using namespace std and proceed to the int. Int is declares a variable named, and the cout display a message to the user, and scene is represent takes input from the user and store it in the age. Example, checks the condition. If true, executes if block, and if false, executes else block. Another example, cout you are an adult, runs if age is 18 or above. Cout you are a minor, runs if age is below 18. Ayun lamang po. Hanggang dito na lang. Sana ay naintindihan nyo. Thanks for watching.